cafetiere is really easy to clean. First you just take the plunger out, pop the tablet in, and then you fill 2/3 of the way with boiling water. Once you've done that, pop the plunger back in, then leave it for 30 minutes. Once you've done that, you just need to give it a thorough rinse and you're good to go. For the Nespresso machine, I'm just going to take out these trays and I'm then just going to sit them in the basin and leave them to sit for half an hour. Then what you want to do is fill the reservoir as normal, add a tablet, turn the machine on, run it through without any coffee inside until empty. Once you've done that, you'll need to put it on a rinse cycle. So refill the reservoir, don't put a tablet in this time, and again just run it through without any coffee inside until empty. For our filter coffee maker, I'm just going to remove the filter and filter holder and then just dunk them in our solution and leave them to sit for 30 minutes. Now it's very similar to the Nespresso machine. You just drop a tablet in the reservoir, fill with warm water, run it through until empty. Once that's done, you'll need to do a rinse cycle. So again, fill up with warm water with no tablet this time, and again, just run it through until it's empty. There you go, 3 perfectly clean coffee makers.